Hi guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. I have a little treat for you guys this week as I'm doing an unboxing and giveaway of this beautiful Melody Susie dust extractor or dust collector. Aris from Melody Susie got in contact with me and asked if I would like to review this, and because I have a dust collector of my own, I thought it would be ideal for a giveaway because obviously someone else could put this to good use. I also have a link, an affiliate link for Melody Susie, which is in the description box down below if you want to go and check out any of their products. So let's jump in and take a look what's in the box. Here it is, all open and ready to go. You have a little instruction book or user manual, and the good thing about this one is that it's really easy to understand. It is in a couple of languages and it's just very, very simple. All your questions are answered, and there's diagrams and all the rest of it, so it's just very easy to use. Everything is marked out, and yes, you'll have absolutely no problems reading up on the machine before you try it out. Also, what's in the box is you get your adapter. The adapter is a 2-pin adapter, but it did come with a UK plug. Obviously, if somebody from the UK wins this, then happy days. If not, you'll probably have to buy an adapter for your own and check out obviously the voltage, etc., for your own country. But this here is the little adapter. It's quite light, compact. It's not too huge, and this was, like I say, the little adapter plug, the UK adapter plug that actually came with it, the conversion plug. So it just sort of slots in there and on you go. You can go ahead and use that then in a UK socket. This is the lead. Now, I have a bit of a stickler with leads because I like a long lead. Where my plugs are situated, it is a little bit awkward, and I do like a good long lead. This for me was one of the things that kind of was a bit of a drawback, because for me the lead is just still quite short. I just wish so many manufacturers would just make it a little bit longer, or even provide the option of a longer lead. The actual machine itself then, it's really lovely. I really like the design. It's quite weighty, it's quite sturdy, but it's not massively heavy. And it looks really, it just looks really nice. I thought it looked quite pretty, so it did. But yeah, so it's just a really nice sleek design, sits on the desk, quite compact, and you can just open the top of it there, and you've got the filter, and that just slots out if you want to replace your filter. I think you can buy new filters on the website, and then it just pops in like that. And then the doorway casing to the filter, as you'll see in a moment, is magnetic, so it just sits on, simple as that, and then you're good to go. And just before we get into turning it on, I just wanted to show you the buttons here, which are flush to the unit, so I think that makes it really good for cleaning and for hopefully no dust particles getting into buttons. But let's see how light it is. Okay guys, so this is me talking whenever the extraction fan is on. And I'm just talking at my normal voice level. It's definitely quite loud. It's not the most quietest, that's for sure. If I push the bottom button, there's really, as you can hear, that's it on a lower setting. And there really is only the two settings. The only thing I will say is that coming out the sides here, there is quite a bit of air that's just coming out the sides. So my concern would be using this as is, just as is, that if you had, if if you're working away, hopefully this here will catch most of it. But there is quite a bit here, so anything on your desk, in terms of any dust that's on your desk, it's probably going to blow it around a lot more. Okay guys, so I wanted to do a little experiment and just kind of show you guys how much suction this machine has without making too much of a mess. So I did place a little sort of napkin over the machine itself, and I sprinkled some multi-cut glitter over, just to show you just how much suction this has. So I spread it about quite a bit. It is sitting quite thick as well too in some places, so, and I purposely left it like that just to sort of see if it would actually, you know, take me standing it upright. Would it, you know, would the glitter fall off or would it hold it? And lo and behold, it stayed put. It has got quite some suction on it, so I'm really impressed. Obviously, I just want to say that I put this napkin over it just to kind of to keep the unit clean and that there. You know, you really do need to go by the manufacturer's guidelines and stuff like that there in the user manual. So this is really just to show you guys how much suction it has. So I was properly impressed. So all in all, a great little machine. I'm gonna get on now to the giveaway. So all the details for that will be below, and they're also coming up next as well too. So don't forget to subscribe and enter, and details are coming up for that giveaway now. Okay guys, so just to quickly run through the giveaway info. Entrance must be 18 or over. It's open internationally, and to enter all you have to do is leave me a comment telling me why you'd like to win, and that has to be in the YouTube video comments section. It closes midnight the 11th of August 2021, and that's British Standard Time, and the winner's chosen by random comment picker and announced on Wednesday the 18th of August 2021. And although not necessary, I would be super grateful if you kindly considered sharing the video, because the more the channel blossoms, the more fun giveaways that I can arrange for my lovely subscribers. So good luck everyone, have a great week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!